Good afternoon, students. Today video is going to see aromatic hydrocarbons. Take a moment and think a substance that have strong fragrance. What kind of things come to your mind? Perfume, vanilla, or cinnamon. They smell differently. They have something in common. Okay, these substances are made of aromatic compound. However, some compounds are chemically aromatic but do not have distinct smell. The aromatic hydrocarbons are classified depending upon number of rings present in it. The first one, monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. MAH, monocyclic aromatic carbon, benzene C6H6 and toluene. Okay, toluene C7H8. The molecular formula toluene C6H5 toluene C7H8, benzene C6H6 molecular formula. The structural formula benzene ring. The molecular formula C6H6. Okay, the toluene single benzene from the CH3 attached methyl group. So C7H8 molecular formula toluene. Okay, the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons PAH, naphthalene and anthracene C4H10. Okay, the multiple benzenes of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons multiple benzene. The monocyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, for example, benzene and toluene. Polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, naphthalene and anthracene. Okay, the nomenclature and isomerism. The first one, toluene, ethylene, cumene, isopropyl benzene. Okay, the nomenclature, we have already discussed about nomenclature of aromatic hydrocarbons in lesson 11. The first member of aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. Okay, they are represented by a regular hexagon with a circle encrypted in it. Okay, since all the 6 halogen atoms in benzene are equivalent, it can give only one monosubstituted compound, methyl benzene, which named as toluene. Okay, the toluene ethyl benzene. When the substance occurs either by a similar monovalent atom or 2 different atoms of groups in benzene, then 3 different position isomers are possible. Their relative positions are indicated as ortho 1 2, meta 1 3 and para 1 4. For example, consider dimethylbenzene, which is named as xylene. Okay, orthoxylene, metaxylene, betaxylene. Okay, 1 2 dimethylbenzene, 1 3 dimethylbenzene, 1 4 dimethylbenzene. The ortho 60 degree. The functional group is the 60 degree of ortho is called 120 degree of 60, 120 degree of meta, 180 degree of para. Okay, ortho, meta, para positions. Okay, aromaticity, Huckel. The first one process of the compound may be aromatic. I need to obey the following rules. The first one rules: the molecule must be coplanar. The second one the molecular must be coplanar. The second one, complete delocalization of pi electron in the ring. The third one, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring and is an integer. N is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 is known as Huckel rule. Okay, the first one, the molecule must be coplanar. The second one, complete delocalization of pi electron in the ring. The third one, presence of 4n plus 2 pi electrons in the ring where n is 0, 1, 2, 3. This is known as Huckel rule. Okay. For examples, Huckel rules, The first one, some examples of alkyl rules. The first one, benzene. The benzene is planar. The benzene is the planar molecules. It has 6 localized pi electrons. So 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. About 4n is equal to 6 minus 2. N is equal to 1. It obey Huckel rule. 4n plus 2 rules with n is equal to 1. Hence benzene aromatic. Okay. The second one, cyclobenta diethyl ion. Okay, the one cyclobenta diethylene anion, the planar ring structure. It has 6 delocalization electrons, 4n plus 2, 6. It obey the Huckel rules. 4n plus 2 electrons rule with n is equal to 1. So obey the Huckel rules. It is aromatic. Furan. Furan has a planar ring structure. Furan has a planar ring structure and furan is the planar ring structure and the benzene ring of the furan. Furan has a planar ring structure. If has 6 localized electrons, 4n plus 2 is equal to 6, n is equal to 1. So obey the Huckel rules. So it is aromatic. Cyclobentadiene. Cyclobentadiene, has planar structure. It has 4 pi electrons, but pi electrons are not localizations and hence it is not aromatic compound. The fifth one, cyclooctatriene. Molecules is non-planar and hence it is not aromatic compounds. The last one, cyclopropyl cation, has planar structure. It has 2 delocalization pi electrons. 4n plus 2 is equal to 2. So 4n is equal to 0. So hence it is aromatic compound. The first one, nomenclature. The structure of benzene, molecular formula. C6H6 element analysis. The molecular determinant they have provide that the molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. They indicates that benzene is a highly unsaturated compound. Straight chain structure not possible. Benzene could be constructed the properties of alkanes or alkynes. For example, did not decolorized bromine in carbon tetrachloride or acidified potassium permanganate. It did not react with water in the presence of acid. So third one, evidence of cyclic structure. The first one, substitutions of benzene. Second one, addition of hydrogen. Third one, Haeckel's structure of benzene. Okay, Haeckel's structure of benzene. The first one, benzene react with the bromine in the presence of AlCl3 aluminum trichloride to form monobromobenzene. Okay, the second one, addition of hydrogen. Benzene can be added on the 3 moles of hydrogen in the presence of nickel catalyst to give cyclohexane. Benzene react to hydrogen cyclohexane. These confirm cyclic structures of benzene and the presence of 3 carbon 2 carbon double bond. Okay, the Haeckel structure failed to explain the presence of double bond between the substituents, the presence of single bond between the substitutions. Okay, the resonance the descriptions of benzene. The phenomena in which 2 or more structure can be written for a substance which has identical position. Okay, the first one of atom is called resonance. The first one structure 1 and 2 exists only in theory. The actual structure of benzene is the hybrid of 2 hypothetical resonance structure. The sixth one, spectroscopic measurement. Spectroscopic measurement show that benzene is planar and all its carbon to carbon bonds are of all equal length 1.40 degree. This value lies between carbon to carbon single bond length 1.54 and carbon to carbon bond length 1.34. Okay, molecular orbital structure. This is molecular orbital structure. Sigma bond framework. Formations of sigma bond in benzene. The structure of benzene is best described in terms of the molecular orbital theory. All the 6 carbon atoms of benzene are sp2 hybrids. 6 sp2 hybrids orbitals of carbon linearly overlap with 6 one is orbitals of hydrogen atom to form 6 carbon to hydrogen sigma bonds. Okay, carbon to carbon sigma bonds, carbon to hydrogen pi bonds formations. This is process very very important. Molecular orbital structure. All carbon atoms have the delocalized pi orbital. Molecular orbital is formed by p orbitals, the overlap of 6 p orbitals. The eighth one discusses about representations of benzene, expanded from the form of Haeckel structure, shorthand representations. Okay, the benzene and its homologous series. The first one, homologous series. Benzene and its homologous series are colorless liquid with a pleasant odor. They are lighter than water and insoluble in it. Their vapor are highly flammable and volatile and the toxic in nature. Okay, source of aromatic compound. Benzene and other aromatic compounds or orbitals from coal tar and petroleum. It can also be prepared in laboratory using some simple aliphatic compounds. Preparations of benzene. Industrial preparations of benzene from coal tar, compositions of the distillations of coal tar. The increases are the 633 kelvins residue. The first one 330 to 443 kelvin benzene, toluene, xylene. Sorry, xylene. Okay. Crude light oil, middle oil, heavy oil, green oil, and pinch. Okay. The from acetylene are passing through the red hot tube. Tracing to give benzene, we have already studied this concept in polymerizations of alkanes. Acetylene, red hot iron tube, benzene. Okay, the product of the red hot iron is the laboratory methods of preparations benzene and toluene. Decarboxylations of aromatic acid. When sodium benzoate is heated with soda lime benzene vapor distilled over. Okay, the first one sodium benzoate. C6H5COONA. Molecular formula sodium benzoate C6H5COONA. Reacted to sodium hydroxide and a reaction calcium oxide. Benzene molecular formula C6H5 plus Na2CO3. Okay, the additional product of Na2CO3. Preparations of benzene from phenol. The first one decarboxylations of aromatic acid. The second one preparations of benzene from phenol. Benzene from phenol. C6H5OH. Phenol molecular formula C6H5OH. Structural formula benzene OH. Phenol structural formula benzene OH. Okay, then zinc. C6H5 plus zinc oxide. Woods fitting reaction. Woods fitting when a solutions of bromobenzene and iodomethane in tri-ether is treated with metal sodium, toluene is formed. Bromobenzene C6H5 Br added to sodium, iodomethane added to iodomethane. So ether, the product of toluene C6H5 CH3 toluene, sodium bromide, additional product. The next another one additional product sodium iodide. Okay, Friedel-Crafts reaction, the Woods reaction, Woods fitting reaction, Friedel-Crafts reactions very very important. Benzene is treated with methyl chloride in the chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride. Toluene is formed. C6H5 benzene react to chloromethane form toluene. Toluene structural formula CH3 methyl group is a benzene plus methyl group toluene. Structural formula. Okay, the physical properties. This is physical properties. First one, benzene is colorless liquid, insoluble in water, and solutions alcohol, ether, and chloroform. The second one of the it bonds with the lumination sooty flame in concentrate to alkanes and alkenes, which usually burn with bluish flame. The vapors are highly toxic with on in halogenation produce loss of consequences. Chemical properties. Benzene. The first one, chemical properties of electrophilic substitutions reaction. First one, nitration. Second one, halogenation. Third one, sulfonation. Fourth one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Fifth one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation. The sixth one, electrophilic substitutions. Another one, mechanism. The first one, nitration reactions. Benzene, when a benzene is heated at 330 Kelvin with a nitrating mixer, nitrobenzene is formed by replacing one hydrogen atom by nitronium. The benzene ring added to nitric acid, the concentration sulfuric acid added to nitrobenzene. Okay. The first one, NO2, the added nitrobenzene, concentration sulfuric acid is added, produce nitronium ion. Halogenation, benzene react with halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Anyone in the presence of Lewis acid such as fluorine trichloride, beryllium ion tribromide or aluminum trichloride and give corresponding halobenzene. In the absence of catalyst, fluorine react vigorously with benzene even in the substance of catalyst. However, iodine is very inductive even in the presence of catalyst. Okay, the benzene added to chlorine. Any one halogenations group, chlorine first one added, chlorobenzene. The second one, bromine added. And for example, benzene added to bromine reaction to bromo Br, so HBr, so bromobenzene. Okay, the another one example. And second one, sulfonation. Sulfonation process, benzene react with forming sulfuric acid and gives benzene sulfonic acid. The electrophilic SO3 is a molecule. Although it does not have a positive charge, it is a strong electrophilic. This is because the octet of electron around the sulfur atom is not reached. The reaction is reversible and desulfonation occurs rarely in aqueous medium. The fifth one, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, methylation, very important. Friedel-Crafts acetylation important. Electrophilic substitution reaction, very important. When the benzene is treated, and how prepared the toluene. Benzene react to methyl chloride, the product of toluene. Okay, how they prepared of the acetophenone. A benzene react to methyl chloride. Okay, the methyl chloride anhydrous aluminum trichloride react to acetyl chloride in the presence of benzene is formed. Okay, the acetyl chlorides is formed. Methyl acetate chloride is formed the acetophenone, COCH3, acetophenone. The electrophilic substitution reactions and mechanism. The first one, mechanism of the electrophilic substitutions. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitutions reaction because it is the electron rich system due to localizations by electrons. So it is easily attacked by electrophilic and give substituted product. The first one, mechanism. Step 1, formation of the electrophilic new electrophilic substitutions, catalyst E plus nucleophilic substitution. The second one step, electrophilic attract aromatic ring, form a carbon intermediate which is stabilized by resonance. Step 3, loss of proton gives the substitutions product. Okay. The another one, the process of the electrophilic substitutions, the nitration, halogenation and sulfonation, free radical Craft alkylations radicals. The table important, very important. The table electrophilics overall reactions mechanism very important. Okay, addition reactions, halogenations of benzene, the chlorinations of benzene, oxidation, bridge reduction, etc. The first one, addition of reactions, halogenation of benzene. First one, benzene react with the halogenations in the presence of platinum or palladium to yield chlorohexane. This is known as hydrogenation. Benzene to cyclohexane, the hydrogenation. Chlorinations of benzene. Benzene react with three molecules of chlorine in the presence of the sunlight or UV light yield benzene hexachloride. Okay, hexachloride C6H6Cl6. This is known as the gamoxine or lindon, which is the powerful insecticide. Oxidations, vapor phase oxidations. Although the vapor oxidations, benzene is very stable, strong oxidations in liquid undergoes vapor phase oxidations by the passing in the vapor mixers with the oxygen overcome the V2 O3 at 773 Kelvin. The ring breaks to give melanic anhydrides. The bridge reduction, benzene can be reduced to 1,4-cyclohexane by treatment with sodium and lithium in mixture of liquid ammonia and alcohol. It is the covalent methods to prepare cyclic dienes. Benzene to cyclohexa 1,4-diene. Okay. Directive influence of a functional group in the monosubstituted benzene. Ortho and para direction groups. All the activating group are ortho and para directions. Example OH, NH2, NHR. So let us consider the directive influence of phenolic group. Phenol is the resonance hybrid of following structure. In this resonance structure, the negative charge residue is present on ortho and para positions of ring structure. It is quick evident that the lone pair of electron on the atom which is attached to the ring involves in resonance and make the ring more electron rich than benzene. The electron density at ortho and para positions increases as compared to the meta position. Therefore, phenolic group activates the benzene ring for the electrophilic attach at ortho and para position, and hence OH group is an ortho para director and activator. Okay, in aryl halides, the strong one effect of the meta directing group. Generally all deactivating groups are meta directors. For example, NO2, CN, CHO, COR groups, COH, COR, SO3H, etc. Let us consider the derivative influence of aldehyde groups. Benz aldehyde is the resonance hybrid of following structures. In this resonance structure, the negative charge and residues present on the ring structure. It is quick evident that resonance delocalizes the positive charge on the atom of the ring, making the ring less electron rich than benzene. Hence, overall density of benzene ring decreases due to the iodine effect of aldehyde group, thereby deactivating the benzene for electrophilic attack. However, resonating structure shows that electron density is more in the meta position compared to ortho and para position. Hence, aldehyde group is meta director and deactivator. Okay. The last one discuss carcinogative and toxicity. Benzene and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are environmental pollutants general during incompleted combustions of coal, oil, petrol and wood. Some PAH, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, organate form open burning natural scrapings of petroleum and coal deposits and volcanic activities. There are toxic, mutagenic and carcinogenic. It has homotological, immunological and neurological effect on humans. There are radiometric and prolonged expose leads to genetic damage. Some of the examples of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are L-shaped polynuclear hydrocarbons are much more toxic and carcinogenic. The fund is cigarette smoke. Fund is tobacco and cigarette and charcoal boiled food. The fund is gasoline exits and bar box food. Okay, thank you. The lesson is over. Okay, thank you.